What if I told you that the air you breathe, the salt in your food, and the water you drink are all made from different kinds of combinations? Some mixed, some bonded forever? Let's uncover the secret difference between compounds and mixtures. Let's start with compounds. A compound is a group of two or more elements chemically bonded together. Compounds exist as covalent compounds or ionic compounds. A covalent compound, also called molecular compound, is a compound that results from the chemical bond of two or more nonmetals. Some examples of covalent compounds are water, oxygen molecule, and carbon dioxide. All these compounds are composed of nonmetal elements chemically bonded. An ionic compound is a compound formed from a chemical bond of metal and nonmetal. Some examples of ionic compounds are sodium chloride and calcium carbonate. Both of these compounds are composed of a metal and a nonmetal element chemically bonded. Now mixtures. A mixture is a group of two or more substances that are physically combined. The components of a mixture can be elements or compounds. Some common examples of mixtures include atmospheric air and salt solution. The atmospheric air consists of several gas elements that are physically combined. The salt solution consists of salt and water that are physically combined. What are some of the differences between compounds and mixtures? In compounds, elements are chemically bonded, while in mixtures, components are physically mixed. With compounds, the composition of elements is always the same. For example, water, a compound, always consists of oxygen and two hydrogens, while with mixtures, the composition of substances can vary. For example, salt solution, a mixture, can have different compositions of salt. The properties of compounds are different from their individual elements. For instance, water consists of oxygen and hydrogen elements. The properties of water are different from that of oxygen and hydrogen, while the properties of mixtures are same as the properties of individual substances. For instance, in a salt solution, salt retains its properties and water retains its properties. With compounds, elements can be separated by chemical means, while with mixtures, individual substances can be separated by physical means. To recap, a compound is a group of two or more elements chemically bonded together. Compounds exist as covalent compounds or ionic compounds. Covalent compounds consist of two or more nonmetals chemically bonded. Ionic compounds consist of metal and nonmetal chemically bonded. A mixture is a group of two or more substances that are physically combined. The substances in a mixture can be elements or compounds. In chemistry, understanding how substances bond or blend isn't just trivia. It's the foundation for mastering reactions, solutions, and even life itself. Now that you know the difference between compounds and mixtures, in the next video, we'll zoom in on covalent bonding, where atoms share their electrons like best friends. Stay tuned, stay curious.